Okay, so I'm driving down the highway, and as you can see, the rain is beating up and rolling up my windshield. And the reason for this is that about a month ago, I treated my car with Spray Away Auto Protectant and Care. And it is a product that works better than a wax, but without all the effort and mess that a wax, or putting a wax on your car, can cause. This product is easy and to do and lasts for months and doesn't put any white wax buildup in the crevices and cracks, and leaves a beautiful protective coat on the vehicle. As you can see, it's beading on my truck as well.